Hey guys! In this video we are going to review Biolomix commercial blender. This blender machine durable construction outstanding design. It also be powerful blender machine. This blender heavy duty commercial quality. High speed and high efficiency 2200 watt powerful motor. It also be 6 Pro stainless steel blades. The stainless steel blades are designed handle the toughest ingredients, built to last quality can thoroughly breaking down ice cubes, frozen fruits, vegetables, seeds, nuts and all kinds of ingredients. This blender easy to use the speed control knob, to adjust your blending speed. Toggle or hold down the pause button for bursts of blending. High speed vortex blending for faster, smoother results. This can be used multiple drinks such as milkshakes, green smoothies, dry grinding, hot soup, sauces, raw food diet, ice cream, fresh juice, and much more. It also be self-cleaning function easily clean the blender by self-cleaning function after every used. This blender make easy to your daily life. You can more information and update price on blender check out on description below. So please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to stay update latest technology reviews.